In today's class, we will learn about problem on harmonic analysis. The problem is obtain the constant term and the first three coefficient in the Fourier cosine series for y using the following table. The values of x are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and respective values of y 4, 8, 15, 7, 6, 2. The solution of this problem we'll see now. The problem is obtain the constant term and the first three coefficients in the Fourier cosine series for y using the following table. The values of x is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and respective values of y are 4, 8, 15, 7, 6, 2. So in the question they have asked, we need to find the what here obtain the constant term and the Fourier cosine series. So here I can say that solution. Here the interval of x is x greater than equal to 0 but strictly less than 6, because here it is 5, so strictly less than 6. Since the coefficient of the Fourier cosine are to be found, we have to conclude that it should be the cosine half range Fourier series. Means they have asked only what here Fourier cosine series, means we can consider it is nothing but what here cosine half range Fourier series of function y in the interval 0 to what here 6. So I can say that since the coefficient of the Fourier cosine series are to be found, we have to conclude that it should be cosine half range Fourier series of y is equal to f of x in the interval what here 0, 6. So comparing this compare with this what here 0, L, which implies the value of L is how much here 6, because we are finding what here half range series, so it will be what here L value is what here 6. So therefore the what they have asked first three, so as per the question what here we need to find what here first three coefficients in the Fourier cosine series. It means what here we need to write the first, or I can say that directly. So the first three coefficient in the cosine means what here, so y, which is also called f of x, is equal to a naught upon 2 plus a1 cos of theta plus a2 cos of 2 theta plus a3 cos of 3 theta, because they have asked only what here first three cosine Fourier transform. So where a naught formula is 2 upon n summation y, a1 formula is, so I will write an formula in general. So an is equal to what here 2 upon n summation y of cos of n theta, because if you take n is equal to 1 we'll get a1 value, then if you n is equal to 2 we'll get a2 value, if you n is equal to 3 will, and the value of theta is what here pi x upon L value is 6. So with the help of these all information we'll go for the table. So first column is what here x column here, so x values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and last row will be what here total. Next, here second column will be theta. So theta is nothing but pi x upon 6. So here this pi value you need to consider as 180. 180 into x value divided by 6. So this column we need to complete. So this while completing, the values will be in terms of degree, that is 0 degree, 30 degree, because 180 into 1 divided by 6 it will become 30 degree. Then 180 into 2, okay, 360 divided by 6 will get how much here. So we need to calculate like that. It will be 60. Next is 90. Next is 120 degree, and lastly 150 degree. So once we get, then first we need to, so from y value we need to note down. So y values from the table is 4, 8, 15, 7, 6, 2. So summation of y. So summation of y is 42. Now once we got, so summation y means we can find a naught value. Then we need to go for what here, a1, a2, a3. So from, if you put n is equal to 1, we'll get y cos theta. N is equal to 2 means we'll get y cos of 2 theta. If n is equal to 3, we'll get what here, y cos of 3 theta. So from the table we need to calculate. So y into, y value is 4 into cos of 0. So like that. So it is 1. So y value, that is 8 into cos of 1. It will become 0. 0 y sorry, it will be 4 here. Sorry, first value will be 4 because cos of 0 is 1. 1 into 4 is 4. First value is 4. Second value is what here, 6.928. Next is 7.5, 0, minus 3, minus 1.732, and summation of y cos theta will be, summation of y cos theta will be, it is 13.696. Okay, so next we need to find the value of y cos 2 theta. So y cos 2 theta is what here on calculation, 4 minus 7.5 minus 7 minus 3 and 1, and the value of summation y cos 2 theta will be, it is minus 8.5. So similarly y cos 3 theta will be 4, 0, minus 15, 0, 6, 0, and summation of y cos 3 theta will be minus 5. So in this way we need to complete the table. So we know how to find the values. So we need to multiply y into theta value, then y into what here, theta value 30 into cos of 30 into 8, cos of 60 into 15, cos of 90 into 17. So we'll get the y cos theta, and y into cos 2 theta is what here, y is that is 4 into 2 times 0, then cos of 2 times 0, then 8 into 2 times cos of 2 times 30. So like that we need to find y cos 2 theta, and similarly y cos 3 theta, and we need to find what here, respective summations here. So these summations will apply in a0, a1, a2, a3, and we will get the respective results now. So from the table I have collected all the summations now. So, and here capital N value is how much here. So if you count, it will be on counting 6. It is capital N value 6. So therefore, so a0 formula already we know that 2 upon capital N into summation y, that is 2 upon 6 into summation of y is how much here, 42. So which is nothing but 14. Next, a1 formula will be 2 upon n summation of y cos theta, which is nothing but 2 upon 6 y summation y cos theta. From the table it is minus 8.5, sorry, it is 13.696. So therefore on simplification this value will become out here 4.565. Next is A2 value, 2 upon n summation y cos 2 theta, that is 2 upon 6. Summation y cos 2 theta is nothing but minus 8.5. So on calculation this value will become minus 2.833. So lastly, so A3 is what here, 2 upon n summation y cos 3 theta, which is nothing but 2 upon 6 into, so value of y cos 3 theta will be minus 5, so which is nothing but minus 1.667. So therefore the required constant and the first three coefficients in the Fourier cosine series are a0 upon 2 comma a1 comma a2 a3. So therefore the values are a0 upon 2 14 upon 2, it will become 7. A1 value what we got, it is A1 value is 4.565, A2 value is minus 2.833, and A3 value is minus 1.667. Because they have asked to find the coefficients, so I have taken coefficients, or else you can apply in the list. If you apply in the list, or I can say that f of x is equal to a0 is what here, a0 upon 2 means 7, plus a1 is how much here, 4 into 4.565 of cos theta minus 2.833 of cos 2 theta minus 1.667 of cos of 3 theta. Either this result or this result will valid for this given question. So in this way we need to simplify the harmonic problems.